Are you looking for a powerful, natural, and inexpensive fertilizer for your vegetable garden? You should try weed tea, sometimes called fertilizer tea or fermented plant extract. Just gather any plant material like weeds or grass clippings from your yard and ferment them. I like to add soil-based microorganisms to boost the fermentation process. Some good weeds to use are dandelions. We've all got them, full of vitamins A and C, calcium and potassium. Nettle is high in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium and is a natural insect repellent. Dock has calcium, potassium, phosphorus, and iron. Alfalfa is high in nitrogen, vitamin A, folic acid, and potassium. Chicory is high in potassium, calcium, and vitamin A. Here's my weed fertilizer recipe. So here are the weeds I've collected. You're just going to want to chop these up into smaller pieces and put them into your 5-gallon bucket. And you're going to add 15 ounces or so of probiotic inoculant. I use BioAg. You can also use mother cultures. So I'm just going to pour that in. Add 15 ounces of molasses or a sugar source to your bucket, and then just fill it with water. You're going to let this sit 1 to 2 weeks, ideally 4 to 10 weeks, to let the microorganisms really get to work and break down all the plant material. The longer you wait, the more beneficial fermented plant extract you'll have. Once you finish filling with water, go ahead and place an airtight lid on this. You'll need to lift the lid every so often to allow the gases to escape. You can bottle your fermented plant extract and then store it for up to 90 days.